1992, from the service, I started this business of the groundwater. From the very small business, I did excellence in the business. The government of India selected me for an overseas project for the drinking water supply at 500 locations in a country. During my service careers also, when I resigned from my service, I got my discharge book. So I see my service squad was exemplary as mentioned by the department. And during my business hours, business tenure also, I was selected by the government of India for overseas project which I completed in 2.5 years. I got the letter of appreciation from the government of that country. It's in Niger, and Western African country. And at the same time, I got the appreciation from the government of India for completing such a prestigious project at the earliest possible period and without any complaint from the client department. So, during my business career, of course, I am working on a very difficult area. This drilling in the groundwater is a very difficult project. Very difficult works. Now I am working for the government of India for exploration of groundwater, which the government used to do themselves. You must have seen the office of Central Groundwater Board. I have the resources better than Central Groundwater Board. I am making the exploration. Right now I have got a project in Gujarat. I am working on that project. And now I am also working in the solar industry also. I got few projects overseas for the solar energy. I have been traveling to many countries like USA, Canada, and many more countries. Even I have gone to Afghanistan also for exploration of my business activities. Why I entered in this trade? I have seen many cities. I like to see the beautiful cities of Europe and American and Canadian government. I want to improve my city where I am living for the many years. I have seen the highest level of corruption in the municipal corporation, which most of you must be knowing. If somebody goes to the corporation even for a small work, he has to spend 2-3 days, even 1 month's time, but still he doesn't get the work done. One of my colleagues was telling, if you want to go some wrong work to be done, they do it immediately. But in case you go for the right work to be done, it may take months' time. And you have to pay something extra, even then it's not done. You must have seen, the markets are developed, few people get their drawings approved by the corporation and others do not get it approved. People are forced to do the wrong things. People are forced to do some pay on the file and get the construction done without approval of the corporation, which remains illegal forever. I have made a planning. If I got a chance to enter in the corporation, I will make all the system so smooth. In case there is a place declared as a commercial area, if we can pass 10 buildings, so 11th should also be passed. There is no need to have the approval of some local, you can say the politician or the higher authorities. Anybody can prepare the drawing, submit to the corporation and get it approved. If there is some problem, the corporation will tell them, you rectify these problems and you will get it approved. Nobody will be forced to do the unauthorized construction, even if it's for the shop or for the showroom or for the house. Development of the city will be done in a phased manner, in a very, very good manner. Here, what the people do in the corporation, they allow the construction to carry on illegal construction of colonies and other things. Later on, they go there and try to demolish the construction and try to take the money from that person. Being an entrepreneur, I know the problems of the entrepreneurs. Whenever they want to do the work, they should be given the free hand. Whatever you want to do, you want to do the development of the city. In case there is a market, it's a development of the city. Corporation gets the revenue from that place. So I would like to allow all the people, whosoever is interested, to go for the development of the city. They will be welcome. There will be no restriction, no greed for the money. Even I will try to improve the working of the corporation. I tell you, I do not say that every employee is corrupt in the corporation. Sometimes the people are forced to do the work like this. There are some high-ups, they want money through the small employees. They are forced not to do the work. I assure you, there will be no such thing in case I come to the power in the municipal corporation. Everything will be streamlined. No delay in getting the birth certificate, no delay in death certificate, approval of the drawings, taxes. You know, there is a big problem nowadays. You have a plot of 400 square meters. In the municipal corporation record, there is 1,500 square meters. You are paying tax for 1,500 square meters. When you try to get the NOC, they will say you pay this much of tax. And in case you want to transfer this land or your property to some other place, you want to sell it, there is a portal nowadays. Until unless you get clearance from that portal, your registration will not be done. And any department can put on the areas on you. You will have to make it clear. The corporation is the only institute where they put in the amount unnecessarily, for which you have already paid. Still, it will exist on that portal. You just go on and going to this place to that place, file move from one place to another place, and then again it will come back with small observations. So that's the kind of working going on in the corporation. So I will request you all, because you are the main pillar of the society. You are giving justice to the society. So this is another field. I request you all, you try to change the system. There is no place for unqualified politicians to head this corporation. I have spared about 5 years tenure out of my business. I want to do service for the city while entering into the corporation. I will request all your members. You are the educated society. You can teach other people also, because there are many people who do not understand what's the value of their board. They for the small interest, for the small gatherings, for 2-3 days enjoyment, they give the vote to anybody. I request you also. You also support me on my platform. I have made Ambala Vikas Manch. It is not for me, it's for all of us. Anybody can come and give the suggestions. It's not president and other members. It's common munch. Or we can all join on the munch. We can all come on the munch and give our suggestions. And we will run this munch as well as the city based on the suggestions given by all the societies. I have my friends. I am member of the Retired Engineers Association. There are my friends who sometimes during their service tenure headed the state government. Even for the water supply, for the electric distribution, there are many fields. So I will take suggestions from them. I will take their suggestions and incorporate in the policies, which is the best possible for the corporation. It's not I am intelligent in every field. There are people, they are different, they have their own field. They are intelligent in water supply, they are intelligent in electricity supply, somebody is interested in roads. So we will take the proposal for everybody and make a good policy for the city. We would like to make the city a beautiful city. We will not spend the corporation money like anything. You must have seen in the old city, if you go, there is water top up on the drains. Sewage water top up on the drains. There is no plan since many years to drain this water. Water is still top up on the drains. Corporation has spent so much of money on tiles. Even the tiles are put on the places where there is no need for tiles. Of course, they are needed for the roads. But at the places where there is not requirement, they should not put the tiles on there. That money should be spent on some other purpose. And one more thing I tell you. Besides, we are making this roundabouts on all the corners. There is proposal. There are people here in the city who can construct that roundabouts and maintain them, put their advertisement holding. There we can save the money of the corporation rather than spending 50 lakhs, 40 lakhs on the squares. So that's the wastage of money by the corporation. We can plan. Basically, what you will see, there are people who fail from their profession. They are not successful in business, they are not successful in the education, but they come and sit on our head to head the corporation, to head the other organizations. It's duty of all of us. Now it's time to change. We should change, we should keep a qualified person on the top so that he can command everything. In the fray, you must have seen there are candidates who are just 10 class pass. And their spouse is also just local player of the Ambala. I assure you, I do not comment on anybody, but you just see who is qualified person. Try to elect that person who can run the corporation in a good way. We have to run this corporation like we are running our own home. We are running our business. If we can make the business profitable, we can make the corporation also profitable. Sometimes the corporation not paying salary to their employees. Salaries to the sweepers. They do not do the kuda collection. Ultimately, they have to ask the house owners to pay something to them so that they can run their families. Our priority in the corporation is our employees should be happy. If the employee is happy, then they will perform their duties in a good way. I am a businessman, I tell you, I do not appreciate myself, but I keep my employees happy so that they can perform. In case there is a tension on the mind of the employee, he cannot perform well. He will always remain in tension while sitting on the table. So I request all of you to take care this time my mission. I rather request you to help me to make this mission a success in Ambala. Let us start this from Ambala and it will go to all the cities of the land. This, my mission, a neat and clean city, Sundar city and corruption-free corporation. I assure you all, in case I come to the corporation office, my wife sitting here, she is capable than me. I belong to a very rural family. I started my education from the government school, and with the help of her, with the guidance, with the encouragement of her, I speak even up to the international level. I have represented my country in many platforms. I speak on the groundwater management. So this is only because of she. She is here. I know she is capable than me. So I have projected her as a candidate for the mayor. In case you also feel that she is good enough, she can perform, you please support me in this mission. We will show you how we perform. We will change the working of the corporation. We will develop the city in a better way. We will remove all the problems of the city. I assure you, it will not take more than 6 months. The basic problems, water supply problem, drainage problem, flood water problem, and basic amenities, like we have made this public toilets at many places. You must have seen there is no drying. When you open the door of the toilet, you are direct facing to the roads and to the public. It's not a proper design. In case you want to make the public toilets, make it something good. Don't make 10 toilets, you make 6 toilets, 4 toilets. But you make it in a proper way so that it's not look bad to the people. It's not to look bad to the people. Because our people do not have the idea how we make these toilets. So there are people, because of lacking of this knowledge, they are wasting the money of the corporation. The toilets they make, they are not working for up to 6 months. I have seen the public amenities in many cities. They are properly maintained. Even they charge money from them, few amount from the user, and they make it neat and clean. So, to all this August gathering here, I once again request, it's my humble submission, you also support my mission. And not only you support my mission, you please educate the people who do not understand their power, who do not understand their vote. They should not come under some small creed while putting the vote on 27th of this month, so that we can reach our target. I tell you one thing more, because of these people who understand the power of the vote, with this much of votes we cannot win. Because there is a big quantity, you can say there is big votes which are illiterate voters. They do not understand the meaning. Until unless we penetrate to those people, we cannot win. So my summation is, you also give me the support and you also educate the people who are not able to understand the power of their votes, so that we can jointly make an effort and we can make or win through this election. This is my submission. Our election symbol is chair, and on 27th, I request all of you to support me in this mission and put your thumb on the cheer and let's make Gurmeet Kaur as the winner of this election of the mayor. Thank you so much.